What do I do if my child has scoliosis? Number one, you got to think about this. You got to think it through and decide, am I going to watch and wait, or am I going to take action? Oftentimes the medical model is, come back in 6 months. Let's see what happens. Let's let it get worse, and then we'll consider having surgery or bracing your child. I would say, seek out conservative care now, but go to somebody that really knows what they're doing, because scoliosis treatment is a very complicated thing. And you need to go to somebody who has a lot of experience and specializes in the conservative scoliosis treatment. Unfortunately, the orthopedic surgeons often have only a very cursory knowledge about conservative care. So you want to go to somebody who specializes in the exercise-based treatment of scoliosis and start the kid in under care early. Start the kid under care when the curve is smaller. It's going to be a lot easier on them. It's going to be a lot easier on you as a family. Thanks for watching. I hope you found all this information helpful. Please subscribe if you'd like to have more information about scoliosis, and don't forget to hit the bell. That'll alert you whenever we publish new information. And if you've got any questions, write them in the comments field, and I'm going to make sure to address them in a future video. Thanks for watching.